In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam QR code on your PC. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, ensure you have an existing Steam account. If you don't already have one, you can create it by visiting the Steam website and signing up. Once you have your account ready, the next step is to log into Steam using your credentials. Open the Steam application on your PC and enter your username and password to gain access to your account. Now, to locate the Steam QR code, it's essential to first enable the Steam Guard feature. This is a crucial security measure that protects your account with an additional layer of security. Let's walk through how you can do this. First, open the Steam application. Once the application is up and running, look towards the top corner of the interface where you will find the Steam button. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. You'll need to select the Settings option from this list to proceed. Within the Settings menu, you'll encounter a variety of choices. Among them, you should tap on Security. Here, under Security, you will find the Steam Guard section. Steam Guard is vital as it's what allows for additional features like the QR code access we're working towards. So, click on the option to enable Steam Guard. Doing this will require that you verify your account details, and once active, it permits you to proceed to find the QR code. With Steam Guard activated, you now have the functionality needed to access your Steam QR code. In this section, you will see options to view the code in several formats. You might find it as a QR scanner, a number code, or even as a textual code. Which one you choose can depend on your personal preference or the device you wish to log into. When you find the QR code, copying or scanning it as needed will allow you to easily log into Steam on other devices without the hassle of remembering extra passwords. This QR function makes it seamless to connect to your account, especially on new devices or when you're on the go. Following these steps should streamline the process of finding your Steam QR code, ensuring you have quick and secure access across all your devices. Remember, keeping Steam Guard enabled not only helps you find your QR code but also keeps your account secure. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming!